Hello everyone, I received this noco from California. The model number is a G15000. This one is charging the battery, the car battery, or it can charge the lithium battery as well. You can see it here. And if the battery is flat, this one they have the option. You can see it said repair, and there is the supply to wake up the battery. So what's inside this one is a power supply, and this one it has no power. I ordered some component to complete testing on this one, then I will show you all the process. So this is going to be the next video. This one here is the regular noco gb150, but we had a lot of videos about it. This one too is stuck at the 25% flashing. You see it. This is from Illinois, and we're going to check it and see if we can fix it. So first, always we're going to check the battery to see how much the voltage, and we see if any dead cells battery, just to know if this device is promising for repair or not. So from the red to the black, we have 9 volt. That's 3 cells. When the first cells is from red to white, 3.1. From white to yellow is a 3.2. Then from yellow to the black is a 2.8. So we don't have no dead cell. That's good. Even if the battery is very low, because the voltage should be like 3.5 or more each cell, but still have a good chance the battery is going to start charging and accepting the charge. So I'm going to check the device. The 25% flashing many times is from these low ohm resistors. It's not like our current sensor resistors. So let's switch to the ohm. Let's see how many ohm here. So 2 ohm point something is good. It depends what the multimeter. You're going to have a different read in here, but anything under 5 ohm is good. It's still going to go down to 1 ohm or less. So these ones are good. So let's check if there is a short in the power button. So no short in the power button, no short in the boost button, and no short here. So usually this resistor here is get cracked, and I think this one here or this one here too. This looks good. So let's check the resistance here in the 3.3. And these diodes here as well. Okay. And we're going to test. Let's check the VCC. So the VCC is a 7 volt, is okay, because the battery is low, of course. The 3.3 is good. Okay. Look here, there is some burning mark, like it was a component over there is completely burned. Yep, you see the smokes over there. So it's something burned here. It look like it's a R something, so that was a resistors. So there's a resistor over there. So there is a resistor and there is a diode. So let's check this diode. We put in the diode mode. Oh, this is a short. If we flip, yep, there is a short here. So the capacitor doesn't have a short. If we follow this trace here, let's go to this capacitor, let's go to this resistor, and this go to this IC. Then from here, that's the ground. So we're gonna remove this diode, and we check this IC. We check in the place of the diode if we still have a short. So do we still have the short? No, we don't have the short. That's good. So the IC is still good. And this diode here. Yep, this diode is shorted. So that's good. Let's clean up. We're going to clean up these pads. And get them ready for new summer. So it's good. Okay. So we're going to take these two components from this donor board. Yeah, this is a diode zener. So So let's test these two components. The diode is good, and the resistor is a low ohm. So let's check the diode with the diode mode. So we have a reading here 0.7. If we flip the diode, we have overload or open line. That's good. So this diode is good. So the diode polarity is this way. You can see the arrow. So the black line is this way. Yep, looks good. So here we have a 1.2 volt in the diode reading. If we flip, we have 0.4. That's great. So let's plug it to the charge, and we see if it's not charging. So you can see it is not charging. Nope, it's not charging. So the numbers here, it show there is no short, because if there is a short in the input, this device is going to go off. And so let's put this one on the negative side of the capacitor, and we check in this big diode here. This is a 5-volt booster. Yeah, we don't have 5 volt here. We don't have 5 volt here. And we don't have 5 volt here. So of course, if we don't have the 5 volt, it's not going to charge. Let me bring I'm going to get the 5 volt from the power supply. See what it's going to do. So let me set up it at 5 volt and about 2 amps max. So if I short these ones, yeah, about 2 amps. Alright, it's charging. Yeah, here again. You can see the light, and it's taking about 1.4 amp. So we have a problem in the charging port as well. Let's fix that one. Yeah, look like the charging port. The VCC pin is gone. The one is this side. Inside is gone. So we're gonna need a new charger port. So let's replace it. So we'll line up the pads with the pins and we just start soldering. Push it down a little bit. Yeah. It's good. This is not a solder wire. Let me get some. You put some flux. Guys. Yeah, looks good. Be sure there is no bridge, no solder bridge between the pins. And let's solder the charger port. Yeah. So let's plug it to the charge. I see the light now, and they see 1.5 amp. So this is very good. So we have 4.3 or 5 volt here. We have 4.3 or 5 volt here. VCC is 8 volt now, and we have 3.3. So everything looks good. And let's go check if the battery getting the charge. 9.4, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, there is a charge going to the battery. The first cell is 3.0, second one 3.3, and the third one 3.12. So it's going. We give it a little bit time to charge, then we check it later. So after 2 hours, the noco is still charging. 1.5 amp. It's not that hot. It's warm a little bit, but it's good. It's normal. Yeah, usually the bad battery is gonna charge for like 5-10 minutes, and the amps is gonna drop to 0 because the cells is getting because the cells has a lot of resistance, and the resistance is gonna transfer the electricity to the heat, and sensor is gonna detect the battery getting hot and turn off the charging circuit. But this one is still charging. This mini is good, yeah. Usually it take like over 12 hours to charge from very low battery to the 100%. So it's still good here. Well, we can see how much this one, how much charge it has. So it has almost 50%. And if I boost, and we have 11.2 volt. That's good. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on next one.